Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Trustworthy AI for CRM Fireside chat videos. We will explore topics around AI within CRM space today. My name is Harry Datwani. I lead our US Salesforce business at Deloitte, and I'm joined by two of my colleagues. First, Pradeep Kamat. He's a digital technology leader in our life sciences practice.
Thanks, Harry, and look forward to our conversation.
Great to have you. And also Sherilyn Tuthill, who leads much of the work we're doing around patient engagement in the life sciences sector.
Thanks, Harry. Great to be here.
Thanks, both of you, for making time. Today, we'll be focusing on CRM AI solutions within the life sciences sector. And I'd love to just jump in with things. Pradeep, if you wouldn't mind kicking us off, I'll ask you the first question. Could you share with us the most impactful opportunities when combining AI and CRM for life sciences clients?
Well, Harry, every life sciences company goes through the end-to-end product lifecycle management, but with the nuances of clinical and commercial. And then they have the supply chain that's required to deliver the product to their customers. So when I think about key impacts that come to mind, one is around the automated data management for clinical trials. And secondly, when you look at the supply chain, companies are using AI and data management to improve manufacturing and product quality of pharmaceutical drugs and treatments. And then finally, I would say is AI is being used in a smart way to predict future trends and behaviors based on historical data on customer engagement and data that's been captured across their entire customer journey. This can help life sciences companies anticipate customer needs, manage inventory, and plan for future demand, which is so important for them in this day and age.
Great insights, Pradeep. I like the way you described it. Really, it's clear from the beginning of the value chain to the end of the value chain for life sciences clients, there's value when you think about AI. And so I'd like to double click into use cases. Sherilyn, I know you spend a lot of time with clients on patient experience. What are the primary CRM AI use cases when you think about that space?
Yeah, thanks, Harry. Absolutely. This is such a huge area for our clients right now. And I think there's two key ways that AI is really having an impact. The one is in patient engagement and patient experience and moving from a one-size-fits-all approach when you think about support services and patient engagement, and using the data and the platforms that are now in place at a lot of our clients to really take it to the next level to work with patients on a predictive and personalized basis. The second is really to radically improve productivity for how care coordinators or those who are interacting with patients are able to minimize the administrative tasks that they're doing and really focus on the human patient interactions.
Fantastic insights so far. Now let's switch gears and delve deeper into the perspectives of healthcare practitioners and sales reps. Pradeep, could you share some real-world examples and use cases from the experience of these professionals, these personas?
Sure, Harry. What I would say is there's too much going on in this space between the interaction of sales rep and HCP. And what I would like to do is highlight two key use cases. The first one is around personalized customer interactions. Now, AI can help sales rep personalize customer interactions by analyzing their past interactions, customer preferences, and behaviors. Now, this can help in result in effective engagement strategies and stronger relationships with healthcare providers. And the second one I would say is so important around the allocations of resources appropriately by HCPs because they have very limited resources at their disposal. There is the use of predictive analytics AI that can forecast disease outbreaks, patient admission rates, and treatment outcomes, allowing HCP to allocate resources more efficiently.
No, Pradeep, thank you. That's very insightful. I know that Deloitte has been well known in the life sciences sector for deploying AI integrated CRM solutions. I know in the conversations I've been having with clients, it's pretty hard to talk about AI without talking about trust, about data privacy. And so, Sherilyn, I'll ask you the next question. How have we been helping clients ensure that they implement these AI CRM solutions in a trustworthy and ethical way, particularly given how regulated life sciences is?
Yes, the life sciences industry is really such an important area to apply our trustworthy AI framework to, given all of the regulations and sensitivity around patient data. When we're working with clients, a lot of these patient programs are still heavily driven by the patient consent. So a lot of it is just transparency and making sure that we're being forthcoming about how the data will be used, and patients make the decision to still participate because they're really seeing the value out of what they're going to get from those initiatives. And secondly would be in the area of regulatory and proactively putting in place the right governance and processes for collecting things like adverse events. I think back to 15 years ago when social media and life sciences were not sure how they were going to work it out, but that was something that we were able to work through, and this is really no different in terms of how we help our clients.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing those perspectives, Sherilyn. Unfortunately, we're at the end of our segment, and so I want to thank each of you for spending time here today. Clearly, there's lots of value across the life sciences sector value chain when you think about AI, but the key to getting business value is going to be about getting the use cases right, orchestrating human and AI interactions, and making sure that it's all done in a trustworthy way. Great discussion, and I look forward to keeping the dialogue going.
Thanks, Harry.
Thanks, Harry.